whenever you decide to start your own dropshipping business, very first thing I would recommend to start looking for winning products. And there is certain criteria which you should keep in mind while you are looking for winning products. First, you will have to make sure your product is not oversaturated. That means your product should have a demand, but there should be very less competition in the market. And second, your product should not be overpriced. That means you have to keep an eye on your competitors and your local markets in the area, like Amazon and eBay. And third, your product should solve a specific problem. That means there should be some gap in the market which your product is going to resolve. Okay, so let's keep all those points in mind and find best products to sell on our store. And I am using Sell the Trend software, which has the best features regarding product research. Now I have opened their dashboard in front of me. If you still need to sign up, you can use the discounted link in my description and start your free trial. Now once you have opened the product section, you can see on top of that we have the Nexus, which is a powerful AI tool to find winning products. And I will show you how we can find winning products using our own criteria which I have mentioned earlier. Now you can see we have the marketplaces. You can even check those product prices on marketplaces directly from here. For example, on Amazon, on AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. And then we have the store intelligence section where you will be able to see top products on other stores. And at the end, we have the TikTok Explorer section, which is the most important section. And as you all know, TikTok is most trending for organic content nowadays. And TikTok also has launched their Seller Central, which I think offers most powerful features than Amazon Seller Central. Because TikTok Seller Central has an affiliate dashboard, you can also promote other seller products and you can earn a commission. Okay, so our product research will start from Nexus. When you will go to Nexus, you can see hundred and even thousands of products and also their stats like sales, how many stores are selling and orders. And if you want, you can also use the advanced filter which will able to search products using country, or you can also search products through a keyword, and even you can select a niche as well. Now let's find a product using the criteria which I have mentioned in the start of this video. But make sure you are not ignoring this criteria. If you are going to ignore this criteria, you will stuck and you will hardly make any sales, because just selecting the random products by looking into the stats will not give you any results. So for example, if you want to analyze this product, you can see this product has great sales and orders. Now if I want to check the stats in detail, you can simply go to the product research and you will be able to access all the stats. Now this product looks great, right? Because this product has generated over $1 million in sales. But our first criteria is product should not be oversaturated. Okay, that means this product has higher competition. As you can see the graph. So we can simply ignore this product, because if you see the graph of the competition, you can see it's higher and you will hardly make any sales if you are going to sell this product. Now I am going to check another product. So you can see all the products from different niches here, and make sure you don't choose a product based on your interest, because you will have to look what is trending in the market at this time. So let's explore, I think, this product. Now if I go into the stats of this product, you can see this product is selling well, and also this product has lower competition. You can see there is lower competition. That means there are less stores which are selling this product. Okay, so our first criteria is, I think, looking good. Now we will check the second criteria, which is product should not be overpriced. Okay, when I talk about pricing, do you know where to check the pricing for the products on marketplaces? I think we should check on Amazon, which is the most popular platform all over the world. So if you are not going to beat the prices on Amazon, you are not going to make any sales, because customer can simply buy the product from Amazon rather than your store. So this tool also offers a feature to check prices on Amazon directly from the dashboard. Simply go to the Amazon store section and you can see this is selling for less amount than our price, because we are going to sell this product for $24 to get some good margins. But on Amazon, it is selling for $15. So it's hard for us to beat the Amazon price. So we can simply reject this product. Now I am going back and let's find another product and see if we can find a great product to sell. Now you can see the plenty of other products in different categories. I think kitchen category is very popular nowadays. So let's try if we can find a winner in that category. Okay, so let's I think try this product. I think this may be a dishwasher. So let's check the stats of this product by going into product research. So you can see this product has great sales and also has good margins. Now let's check the competition of this product as well. I think it's a bit more, but not that much. We can also consider selling this product if we can beat the prices on Amazon. So let's check the prices on Amazon and see if it meets our criteria. So you can see this is selling higher than ours. It's mean we are beating the Amazon price. Okay, so let's have a check on Google Trend and see how many people are searching for this product on Google in USA, because Google is the second place which people use to find products after Amazon. So simply go to Google Trend and search for a keyword by choosing the location on top right. So let's say we want to examine the stats for past 90 days. We can simply select here the duration we want to check, and I will search for keyword, for example dishwash. Now when I search for dishwash keyword in USA, you can see this keyword is trending on Google because a lot of people are searching for that keyword. And you can also look into different locations as well. So these stats will be very helpful for you to target people in those locations. Now I think this product also met our second criteria as well. Now let's have a look on the last criteria, which is product should solve a specific problem. So you can see this product has a battery and this product can be used as a multi-purpose, like for example to wash dishes, to clean mirror, or to brush bathtub. Now finally, we will look into the most popular platform for trending products nowadays, which is the TikTok. And TikTok is also most popular for organic content. For example, creating the videos of your product. So when I go to TikTok, you can see if I search for Amazon finds or something related to that, you can see these kind of products are trending nowadays. And this specific product has millions in views. And if you can imagine the number of sales this product has generated, I think this product may be generated over $1 million in revenue. So make sure to order few sample of your product to create organic content on TikTok, because if you will find it harder to generate sales through organic, you will also find it harder to generate sales through paid ads. So for this reason, creatives of your products are very important, and you can create different images and best videos of your product. Simply get the best photos of your product and then go to Canva to edit those photos. Canva is a free tool for designing. Simply go to Canva and then you can go into the create section and choose a suitable size for your store. After choosing the image size, then you can go into the upload section on the left side and upload your product photos which you have taken already. Now you can also choose the best background according to your website theme, and then make sure to edit your photos to show them in all possible angles on your website. Now product photography matters a lot, and even an average product can generate thousands of dollars in sales if the product has great photos and it has great description. And even this tool also offers you AI feature to generate description. And if you are using Shopify, you can also generate the description using the Shopify AI description tool. But I would recommend you to get it from seller website or through the packaging of your product and explain it in more detail how your product works and which are the key features of your product. Now, by using the same method, you can also choose different products and you can also find different winning products in your niche. But make sure you remain in the same niche in which you have selected already a winning product. For example, if you found a previous winning product in kitchen niche, you can test, I think, this product in the same niche by following the criteria which I have mentioned earlier. And this will help you to grow further in a niche specific store, because when you are going to announce new arrivals of your products to your customers through email marketing, because they have purchased already in the same niche, so they may be interested in getting those products as well. Now, if you are using Shopify, you can still use this software to find winning products. Let me show you. You can simply connect your Shopify store by going into the manage section and then by going into the connections. So here you will be able to link your Shopify or WooCommerce store, or even you can create a new store using this tool as well. And I would also like to mention another feature, which is the best feature this tool offers. You can see there is a local shipping section. Now, local shipping helps you to deliver your products more faster than international shipping. You can simply select your location and then it will show you the products which are being shipped locally. But make sure you are choosing the product using the winning product criteria, which I have mentioned earlier. And if you have decided to sell a product, simply click on Add to Store section and then go to the bottom to check shipping. And you can see it is being shipped locally from USA to USA, and supplier is also using local shipping service. Now if you want to check the reviews of supplier, even you can check also stock, and even you can check how many stores, how many suppliers are selling this product, and you can also read them out through inbox if you have any questions. So that's all for today, and this is the criteria which I have been using from past couple of years, and you can use that as well to find winning products. And I have also mentioned the discounted link in description. Make sure to check them out and start your free trial today. So please make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to learn print on demand or digital products, you can check the videos on screen, and in the meantime, I will be back with more useful content for you.